Never Houston story, we're waiting for your go on the F-latch.
You ready, Tyler? We're ready. Go on the F-latch.
Okay, we'll put it in work.
I have it. Take
Go ahead, you just come ahead. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop right there. I can see it. That's the view.
You have it back?
Around the back.
The two astronauts, Kathy Thornton on the robot arm and Tom Akers, a free-floating astronaut mounted in a foot restraint on the side of the telescope, are now completing the latching assembly to the first solar array to the telescope. The commanding to close the latch now that Tom Akers has reattached the bolt is commanded from the Space Telescope Operations Control Center in Greenbelt, Maryland.
Kyle, I think this is a great view. It gives you a good impression of the tremendous size of this telescope, being about 40 feet long, about the size of a bus. And also it gives you a good impression of how fast you go around the world. They're going around the world about every 97 minutes. They're traveling at something in the neighborhood of 5 miles a second. So it gives you a feeling for what we're doing up there today.
And Endeavour's just moving off the east coast of Australia, getting ready to make a northeasterly swing across the Pacific Ocean on the latter portions of the 58th orbit of the mission.
Set it ideally at 60 setting or 60 seconds, because if you have 30 frames, the little space, the little bar between each frame, you know, even though the television is good, would be also be 30 frames. So that would be 60 times. Yeah, television is 30 frames per second too, so you should connect the well, right now. Well, that line is the frames. That line is just
Start moving.
No, it's not moving. This is the command.
No. Setting things. How long you think, Story, till it's command?
It's in work now, Story. We'll advise you when to expect motion. Stand by.
So then you're picking up a line of electrons. Well, it's like they're picking up like. So what are they doing now? And no, they're tweaking. No, it's not the TV. It's not the station. So like it's not the television station. It's the TV itself. It's like there you go. There's a gun in here. It's electronic.
Endeavour Houston, 30 seconds to motion.